Ooh! I got another of those, what you call radios. This is what we do.
And here's a look at the threat for tomorrow. Huge red zone from the top of Minnesota all the way down into
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northwestern
No way!
in east central Ohio, southwestern Carroll County in east central Ohio, east central Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hicksville.
Get in here!
At 25 miles per hour.
Get in here!
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
Is
and vehicles will
WG56
occur.
having a stroke?
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hicksville around 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Denison around 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Get the hell in here!
Locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Tuscarawas, Leesville, Roswell, Nader, Midvale, Leesville Lake Park, Barnhill, Stillwater, Ballaston, and
This is the
Avonlea.
first tornado warning I got. I got it. It's radar indicator, so downgraded.
At 8:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Farmington, or 12 miles southeast of Uniontown. Snow 40 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Homes will be damaged or destroyed. Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Western counties, including the following locations: North Lewisburg and Ohio. Take cover now. Basement floor and interior roof.
This for the building.
Buildings.